y'all, welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell by the title, today we're gonna be putting in some clip-ins. These are the ones I get. I honestly thought they was gonna be longer, but I got 14 inches, and I don't know if this, I feel like it's gonna match my texture, but I'm not sure. So I think that's gonna be our challenge of the day, seeing if this is gonna match, and hopefully it, obviously, like for the most part, these just gonna be to make my hair look fuller, because the length is not there. So I got 2 packs of these. They both 14 inches. I got these from Amazon. It was a whole fiasco getting them because it took like 3 weeks, even though y'all know Amazon, it was supposed to be here like 2 days, but they finally came and I got my money back. So I'm about to see if I can get this to blend my hair, because I don't really know the texture of my hair because I got it dyed and the texture changed. So I kind of don't think this is the right texture, but we got to wet this hair and my hair and braid it up and see what we can do. Okay, y'all, so first I want to start with, it's like a longer piece. Okay, this one, I think you get, okay, this has 4 clips on it, but I want to put this like in the middle of my head. I've only opened 1 pack so far. I really don't think I'm gonna need to take one. I don't know, but I do want it to be full. But I'm gonna start in the back with this 3-piece one. So like this, yes, this not effective way, but like this. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray my hair. So currently on my hair, I have this. It's upside down because I need to come to the top. But this is for like type 4 hair. So I think, I don't know if I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner or this, or a mix of both. But whichever one I decide on, I'm gonna put it on my hair and the clip-ins. So I'm gonna start by doing like the back of my hair first, and then the same clip-in that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do that one, and I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. That's my logic, is if I do the same thing, it'll come out the same way. So, oh, this piece, we're gonna start it like that. But currently my hair has that pink Nia'Mya in it, and it has this oil in it, which is actually why my hands are slippery, because I made sure I had my hair in like some braids underneath a wig for a few days. And that's why my hands is slippery. I hope that don't play a little role in it for how it come out. But this is what we started at. Okay, y'all see how my hair looks wet. Oh, I'm just turning white. Look how short this is, y'all. Dang, don't upset me. I don't want it. Oh, I want it to shrink too much. That's the whole point. Like, it's shrinking shorter than my hair. Okay, whatever. What if? So then I'm going to open these clips. Oh, this actually the 2-piece. This actually, oh yeah, I'm actually putting a clip in that has only 2 clips on it in the back row. But there's something on there. But I'm gonna clip it in straight like this on top of this hair. I didn't want to part it because I wanted it to be, you know, looking natural. Okay. I want to scoot it over some. So let's do directly in the middle. Okay. Now, this hurt a little bit. I don't need it to hurt because I'm sleeping in these, y'all. So I don't need it to hurt. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna use the twisting cream. Twisting cream or leave-in conditioner? I don't have that much of the leave-in, so I'm just gonna use the twisting cream. And I'm gonna braid my little hair up. I'm gonna do 2 braids in the back. So this will be one side. This kind of hurt, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Be a little careful, I guess you could say, because this hurts. I'm gonna clip this side. Clip this side of the clip in over here. After I do this, we'll just walk through it. Okay, I'll see it. Blending. Period. Let's break this down. I really don't know no other effective way to get this to blend without having to like braid it up and sleep in it. Because at first I was gonna burn my hair down and just put the clip-ins on top, which I may try that way as well. That's more of like an actual protective style and just leave the front out. But yeah, you or I don't know. I decided to do it this way, so yeah. I hope it comes out cute and full and the bits elongated if possible. We'll just hope for the best though. Okay, I wonder if I should like put bronze on the end. I'm just gonna swirl it my finger. Okay, now I'm about to do the other side. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna use the 3 clip-ins. And what I'm gonna say is basically for every clip that there is, that's where I'm gonna put a braid. So this one, I use the 2 clip-ins. I use the 2 clip one, I did 2 braids. This one, I'm using the 3 clip one, I'm gonna do 3 braids. For every piece, that, like for every clip-in, basically this would be 1 braid. So I'm doing 1 braid for this one, 1 braid for that one, 1 braid for that one. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so now I'm at the last part of the top of my head, as y'all can see. So these 3 I did without adding any hair, which I hate because I feel like that makes it blend a little bit less, like it lets blend it easily. But I want to make sure I add something to the front. But I definitely have enough clip-ins in this first pack, but like I really don't know. This is a little too long. So I think I'm gonna open the second pack just so I could get some shorter ones out. But what I wanna do is, I really don't know. I wanna add clip-ins in the middle, but like put the braid over the top. I don't know how that's gonna come out right. I mean, I don't know how like that's gonna work, but I feel like doing that will make it blend more. So I'm about to open up this other pack, even though it's like I really don't need it, but I need it for this purpose. Like I could this piece right here, because it wasn't on there, one piece, like this piece, I cut it and I put it like right here. So I don't have to cut anymore. I really hate that I'm even opening this up, but I do need those short 2 pieces. So we doing what we gotta do. Okay, so like they both have 2 clips on them, but y'all see how these 2 clips are far apart and these 2 clips are like literally right here. Like they got almost fit on here. These are the ones that I need for my hair up here. So like, you know, so that it can be pushed back and then I can still have hair in the front. It's just my hair. But yeah, I do want to point out, although it's only 2 on here, I do want to do like 3 braids instead of 2, because like these are large chunks and then the hair is going to be going in the middle of it. So like this is going to be the half that's laying down. But what I'm trying to do, I can show y'all, it's better than I can tell y'all because me explaining is not doing too well. But I want to part this half in half, and then I want to put the clip in between. A piece of the entrance. Okay, it don't matter if it's straight or not. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? But let me brush this way. Dang, girl, you know. Okay. Y'all see how these curls are way bigger than my curls. Like they not really. But it don't matter. So I want to put this in the middle, but up here, like back here. Y'all see I still got a little bit of hair at the front, or you know, it's covered up or whatever. Now, lay this on top of here. Y'all get what I'm saying? So normally I would just braid down like this part and this. I want to put this on top so that, and then braid it all down. I think that's gonna help to blend it more. That's the secret, I think. Okay, I'm done. But y'all see this little piece that's out upsetting me. But it's okay, that happens all the time when I do my hair. So it's no worries, no biggie, but now I'm done. I don't know why I feel like I should I am going to. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't know why I feel like I should coat this with oil, even though it's not my real hair, but like, it's not like my hair is underneath here, it's mixed in. So I'm gonna coat this with a little bit of oil, and I'll either sit under the dryer for a little bit tonight or tomorrow, or just like, for the most part, I'm gonna let it air dry. But definitely wants it to be dry by like I need it to be dry by tomorrow. So yeah, I was gonna say have some feedback, but no, I wish that what I did for this part, putting the clip in the middle, honestly, like I think if I would have did that like around my whole head, it would have been better. But that's probably like uncalled for. But I definitely should have done it right here, which has me kind of thinking about taking these down and redoing it. But it's not really, if y'all can tell, it's not really enough space to put the clip in between. So I should have made this part bigger and put the clip in between, which is something that I will do next time, so that this has some hair to blend in with, because it's just gonna lay on top, but which I hate. But we're gonna come back in the morning to see what happens. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. We back in the bathroom. I just got the shower. My hair is completely dry, definitely, and I still put the oil on it, so I'm not gonna put oil on it to take down my hair. But I am about to start taking it down. Okay, so yeah, y'all see, like, I don't know why the light in the bathroom is not really good, but y'all get a better, you know, gist with this lighting. Something else I was worried about was the color being a little bit off, but it's, as y'all can see, it's really not. It's really not off. So yeah, I will recommend this to you all if y'all want to add a little bit of length. Next time, I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but I'm definitely gonna try doing a wash and go with this. But yeah, that is all that I have for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all want me to try out some hairstyles using these clip-ins, make sure to let me know down below, or anything else y'all want to see. No, I think I should, like, I keep talking, but let me know if anything else y'all think I should try with these clip-ins, or any other hair videos y'all would like to see. Bye.